see, Wave Energy Ltd, or SWEL, is a British company, and we are also based in Cyprus. We are a company involved in the research and development of renewable technologies, and more specifically wave energy. Here in the wave tank behind us we can see the waveline magnet. It's one of our current technologies we've been working on. So at the moment we are in Centrale Nantes under the Marine Energy Alliance program, which is a EU funded program aimed at progressing the development of different technologies. We're trying to prove that our technology is not only able to compete with other renewables, but more importantly we're trying to compete with fossil fuels, because at the moment currently the situation is not good in the energy industry. The fossil fuels are definitely in the next 50 to 100 years going to be on their last knees, and a solution needs to come forward which is going to solve this problem, and this is what we're trying to do here in ECN. So the current next steps we have planned for the waveline magnet is to implement some design reviews and see what optimizations we need to make, and hopefully soon we will be moving on to sea trial tests.